specialist leader working for Deloitte Consulting.
I am Lalita and I am a homemaker. And we really had a wonderful experience, a wonderful, lovely, amazing. I have no words to express what I have to say because it was just mesmerizing me. So I really enjoyed this. Thanks to my sister and my brother-in-law who asked us to come here, and we really are thankful to Rahul ji to give us a wonderful new life to begin with.
So I want to share something about the program that I learned a lot here. Rahul Kapoor is a genius in intellectual and share things in a very simple way. It just like reinvent you who you are, and that's how he is explaining things very easy and easy to understand, and understand the self-realization of who you are in very simple terms. Thanks to Rahul and his team to make this even a great successful and great success for me and my wife Lalita. And I am so happy to be here, and I got what I wanted, a self-realization. Thank you so much, Rahul.